Hi there, my name is John Thomas, Mr. Thomas to you, and welcome to English 122. I'm very excited to teach you this summer online, and I thought I would introduce myself to you and tell you a little bit about myself before we jump into the class. I've been teaching at DVC for a long time, and my beard is always pandemically bushy, but my hair has gotten a little out of control now because of the shelter in place. But we're just going to deal with it. I live in San Francisco and I have lived here for a long time. And I also am a world traveler. I love to travel. I've been to 26, 27 countries, and as soon as this all ends and we're able to do such things, I'm going to go out and travel again. So this summer, we're going to be writing 3 major essays, and you have one required textbook that you must get. It's Antigone by Sophocles, and it has to be the Don Taylor translation. Make sure it's the Don Taylor translation. I don't care which cover or particular publication it is, as long as it is Don Taylor's translation. This is the cheap, easy version to get on Amazon, but there's a free way to get it. There's a free PDF of the exact same book uploaded onto Google. So if you prefer to get it free, I can't provide the link for you, but some other college out there just threw it out there on the internet, and it's all there for everybody. So please make sure that you read my welcome letter, look at the syllabus, and take a look at the required textbook. And I hope that you take the orientation quiz too. So I'm looking forward to teaching you this summer, and you can expect 1 or maybe 2 short introductory videos of me every week. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you.